Opo.
Because yun ang pinirmahan nyo. Diba? So kaya nga pagdating dito, there are many other questions like yung sinabi ko sa inyong number 8, which is, was he brought, did the person receive legal assistance during national proceeding? Ikaw nagsabing he received legal assistance during national proceeding. What was that proceeding?
No, Your Honor, Mr.
Ambassador,
Senator.
ang dami-dami mong pinirmahan dito tungkol sa doktor, tungkol sa immediate family, tungkol sa legal counsel. Lahat to sinang-ayunan mo. Lahat ito hindi totoo.
Hindi po.
Kasi
ganito,
pagod na po kayo.
Hindi po. Kung maaari ho ma-explain ko. Una ho, yung tinatanong nyo regarding ho dun sa... Kasi that time, I was waiting for the official certification from the Department of Justice. So medyo wala hong internet that time. So yung yan ho yung sinulat nila, yun naman ang sinagot ko. So nung after few minutes nag-request ako ng internet na print, binigay ko sa ICC yung certification from the Department of Justice.
Sino nagsulat niyan? Kaninong handwriting yan? Kasi parang naiba sa sulat mo.
Ma'am, sa ICC, ma'am.
Tapos pinirmahan mo na lang yung sinulat ng ICC.
Pinakikita naman yan nung nagpapalitan kami ng...
So sang-ayon kayo sa lahat ng sinulat?
Opo, ma'am.
Anon. So yun yung papel mo doon? Ano pa yung ginampanan mong papel? Kasi sabi mo, sinamahan mo si Presidente Duterte sa eroplano. Pagkatapos, nung sinorender mo na at yan ang pinirmahan mo bilang kinatawan ng ating pamahalaan, ano pa yung iba pang papel mo? Ano pang ginampanan mong papel?
Wala na po, ma'am.
Pero nagdalawang araw ka pa ron eh.
Hindi po, ma'am. Nag-aantay kasi doon din kami sumakay sa same plane pabalik po ng Pilipinas.
Madam Chair?
Yes, Senator Bato, nagugulat lang ako, na-speechless ako. Dineliver ninyo sa ICC pero hindi ninyo alam? Paano hindi ninyo
hindi
alam?
Po, alam po namin, ma'am, regarding dun sa ICC. Ang hindi ko po, balikan ko ho yung unang pag-uusap, kaya hindi alam. Nung unang pagdating sa airport, totally wala po akong alam nung pagdating ko sa airport. Naiya.
Sa NAIA.
Opo.
Madam Chair?
Yes, Senator Bato.
Pwede mo laman, Ambassador, kung kailan ka appoint as special envoy against national crime?
July 2024, Mr. Senator.
Alam ninyo, gusto ko lang tignan yung pinirmahan mo kasi maraming kabulastugan dito. Hindi ko maintindihan. Yung number 8, kung maipakita sa screen. The date, time, and location of the appearance of the arrested person before the competent judicial authority. Ang sinagot mo, do not know. Paano hindi mo alam, samantalang nandun ka sa airport na hanggang sa Villamor, hanggang sinakay sa eroplano? Bakit hindi mo alam?
Hindi po. Yung number 8 po, that time, kagaya ho ng sinabi ko kanina, I'm just waiting for the certification from Department of Justice.
Yung certification dumating pa ng March 12 eh.
Hindi po. Na dumating po on the same day, mga siguro 10 minutes.
Pwede ninyong pakita sa amin kasi yung certification na binigay ng DOJ sa amin March 12 ang nakasulat.
Yun po yung certification na binigay ko po. Yung date lang po, siguro kasi that was March 11. Pero yung...
date, time, and location.
Opo. Yung certification ho na yon na-send ho sa akin nung nandun kami mismo, nasa eroplano pa, ng paglapag ho namin sa Hague.
At sinabi dito, before the competent National Judicial Authority.
Mm-hmm.
So, ibig sabihin, Pilipino. Husgadong Pilipino, tama ba? Judicial Authority.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi mo rin alam? Kasi sabi dito, do not know eh.
Mm-hmm. Ayun po yung sinagot ko kasi I was waiting that time.
Paano hindi mo alam alam mo, mula nung dumating na talaga naman hindi pinayagan makita yung abogado, hindi pinayagan pumunta sa Pilipinong husgado, hindi pinayagan lumabas. Bakit mo sinasabing do not know? Nandun ka, nakababad ka, hanggang sa Hague, nandun ka eh.
Ma'am, that time, na nandun po yung mga abogado niya. In fact, 3 po yung abogado.
Hindi, walang abogadong sinasabi sa number 8 na pinirmahan mo before the competent National Judicial Authority. Ang sinabi mo, hindi mo alam.
So, yun ho kasing certification, yung details, nandun po sa DOJ certification. Yun ho yung inaantay ko that time. Medyo nagkaroon lang ho ng delay nung sa pagpasok kasi sa problema ho sa internet.
Ano? Kailan dumating yung DOJ certification?
On the same day po, nung nasa aeroplano
before?
kami. Iyan po, after po ng sign, kasi hindi ho makapasok.
December 12 ha, ang nakadate. Parang nagugulat ako. March.
Opo.
Natataranta ako, nagugulat.
Hindi po ma'am, Madam Chair. Pumasok po yung certification on the same day. Medyo nagkaroon lang.
Hindi, March 12 ang nakasabi. Paano mo natanggap? Excuse me, yung nagko-coach, nahihirapan po kami.
Ma'am, I think the best person to answer that would be
Abogado po
the
kayo.
person who issued the certification is here.
Yes, I think Prosecutor Fadulion, we're referring to the same certification of March 12. Is that correct?
That is correct, Madam Chair.
And it was sent to Ambassador Lacanilao when and where?
If I may just be allowed to explain, ma'am, the certification that is in the possession of the committee chair is a certification which indicated that the arrest was made on March 12, 2025. This certification was issued the day after the arrest. This would be March 12 also, 2025.
So are you saying may mas maaga pang certification
There
na siya lang ang nakakaalam?
No, ma'am. This certification was the one which was prepared as per instructions to me by the OIC Secretary of Justice because it was needed by Ambassador Lacanilao the moment that he reaches The Hague. So this was prepared on that day, and if I may point...
That day being...
March 12.
March 12.
March 12.
So hindi pa rin tumutugma yung oras?
Yes, ma'am, may konti hong inadvertence dito kasi the date March 12 here refers to the time of the arrest when in fact the arrest was actually March 11, 2025 at approximately 11:44.
So hinabol lang ninyo yung certification after the fact?
No, ma'am. This was the first certification that was issued because this was the one that was needed by Ambassador Lacanilao. We
So
corrected this after you pointed it out that when we reviewed it again and we saw that the date indicated for the arrest was March 12 instead of March 11.
And Ambassador Lacanilao received it on March 12, March 11, in Villamor, in Dubai, in The Hague.
As
Saan
far
po?
as I know, Madam Chair, the certification that I prepared on March 12 was forwarded to the Office of Undersecretary T, our OIC Secretary of Justice. It was he who made the arrangements for the transmittal to Ambassador Lacanilao.
Thank you, Prosecutor. When did you send it to him and what did it say? Because we have no copies.
We sent it, this certification was prepared in the afternoon of March 12, 2025, and it was sent to...
March 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Pero sinuko na si Pangulong Duterte ng mas maaga?
He was actually transported around midnight, if I'm not mistaken, of March 11, ma'am. And I think they were in transit at this time. I'm not so sure. They were in transit at the time when this certification was sent to them.
Pwedeng isulat yan at bigyan kami ng kopya nung sinasabi mo o ito pa rin?
Yes, I can furnish you a copy.
Ito pa rin, yung March 12 pa rin?
Yes, ma'am.
Siya pa rin?
Sinong siya pa
Yung
rin?
sinasabi na yung aresto is March 12, not March 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Yan pa rin, yung mali-mali na yan?
Yeah, ito pong pagkakamali nito which was eventually corrected po.
Opo. Okay, we'll go back to that later. But Ambassador, when did you receive this?
Yung time ho na pagdating namin ng Hague, dumating yung ICC representative, hindi ho kasi pumapasok mabuti yung messages namin with USEC-T dahil mahina ho yung net namin doon. But after 10 minutes na ma-sign po ma-answer yung number 8 question, nakuha ko na. So I immediately sent the copy to the ICC representative.
yung mali na March 12. Tama? Mali eh.
Yung kopya pong galing sa Department of Justice that time. Opo.